Hello everyone, welcome back to English Daily. I am so happy that you are here today. I hope you are having a wonderful day. May you always have good health, happiness, and success in everything you do. Thank you for choosing to learn English with me. Every lesson is another small step toward becoming a confident English speaker. So find a comfortable place, take a deep breath. Listen carefully, and enjoy today's lesson. Today, we are going to talk about something simple and enjoyable. Our topic is, my favorite drink. Everyone has a favorite drink. Some people love coffee, some enjoy tea. Others prefer fresh fruit juice or cold water. A favorite drink can help us relax. It can give us energy. Sometimes, it even reminds us of happy memories. Today, I will tell you about my favorite drink. Along the way, you will learn useful English words that you can use in daily conversations. Before we begin, I have a small request. If you enjoy these lessons, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like. Share it with your friends and family who are learning English. Your support helps us create more free English lessons every week. Thank you very much. Now, let's begin. First, let me tell you about my favorite drink. My favorite drink is fresh orange juice. I enjoy drinking it almost every morning. The bright orange color always makes me feel cheerful. The fresh smell is wonderful. The first sip feels refreshing. It wakes me up and gives me a great start to the day. Sometimes I drink coffee. Sometimes I enjoy hot green tea. But fresh orange juice is still my first choice. One important word today is fresh. Fresh means new, clean, and full of natural flavor. For example, these oranges are fresh. Or, I like fresh fruit every morning. Fresh is a beautiful word. Native speakers use it very often when talking about food and drinks. Let's say it together. Fresh. Next, let me explain why I love orange juice so much. The taste is naturally sweet. It is not too strong. It is not too sour. It feels light and pleasant. When I drink it in the morning, I feel awake and ready for the day. Sweet means having a pleasant sugary taste. For example, this mango is very sweet. Or, I like sweet drinks, but not too sweet. Sweet is an excellent word to describe many kinds of food and drinks. Let's repeat it together. Sweet. After that, I want to tell you about another drink that I enjoy. I really like coffee. I usually drink 1 cup in the afternoon. The smell of fresh coffee fills the room. It helps me relax while I read a book or prepare my lessons. I do not drink too much coffee. 1 cup is enough for me. I like coffee when it is hot. A hot cup of coffee is perfect on a rainy day. Hot means having a high temperature. For example, this tea is hot. Please be careful. Or, I like hot chocolate in winter. Hot is such a common word. You will hear it everywhere. Let's say it once more. Hot. Now, let me share another favorite drink. During summer, I love drinking cold lemonade. The weather can be very warm. A glass of cold lemonade feels amazing. I usually add a few slices of lemon. Then I put in some ice. Sometimes I also add a little honey. The drink becomes cool, fresh, and enjoyable. Cold means having a low temperature. For example, the water is cold. Or, I would like a cold drink, please. Cold is another important everyday word. Let's remember it together. Cold. Next, let me tell you about a happy memory. When I was a child, my grandmother often made fresh fruit juice for me. She used oranges, apples, and sometimes watermelon. She carefully washed the fruit. Then she cut everything into small pieces. After that, she made a delicious drink for the whole family. We sat together in the kitchen. We talked. We laughed. And we enjoyed every glass together. Those simple moments became wonderful memories. Here are 2 lovely expressions. Make fresh juice. Enjoy every sip. They sound very natural in everyday English. Let's hear them once again. Make fresh juice. Enjoy every sip. After that, I started making drinks by myself. Now I like trying. different fruits. Sometimes I mix oranges with carrots. Sometimes I add strawberries or pineapple. Every new recipe has a different taste. It is always fun to discover something new. Another great phrase is try something new. Native speakers use this expression very often. It sounds friendly and encouraging. Let's repeat it together. Try something new. Finally, I believe everyone has a favorite drink for a different reason. Some people enjoy coffee because it gives them energy. Some people love tea because it helps them relax. Others choose fruit juice because it tastes fresh and healthy. No matter what your favorite drink is, every cup can become part of a happy moment. Today, we learned 4 important words. Fresh, sweet, hot, cold. Let's say them together one more time. Fresh, sweet, hot, cold. Excellent work. Keep using these words whenever you talk about food and drinks. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Keep listening. Keep speaking. And keep practicing a little every day. Small steps can lead to great progress. Before you go, please subscribe to English Daily if you have not already. Give this video a like if you found it helpful. Share it with your friends who are learning English. Your support helps this channel continue growing and creating more lessons for everyone. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.